All right, the Hip Clip Boss. Let's get into it. Right off the bat, I want to show you guys that you can open the mouth of the Boss like this. Just good to know. Another functionality that you can use. Okay, we got to talk about towels as well. You need these good quality open fiber 100% cotton towels. They're called Huck or Magic Blue. And this is what you have to work with the Boss Clip doing window washing. You can get them from the catalogs. They work great. So you can see here, these towels have kind of a light cast to them, like a matte finish. This is when they're getting really good. This is when they're super absorbent, super sponges. That's my favorite kind of towel. Now let's talk about the full system on the belt. The Boss clips really are for professionals. It's a system. There's 3 Boss clips. I happen to have a steel wool magnet here in between my last clip. That's something I've been trying new lately. Keep it real handy, real fast for me. This is the far left towel, middle, and the middle one is attached actually to my buckle. That's custom. That's something that's coming in the future. What I always do is I grab them kind of from the middle and flick them down. That's the way to do it. You want to grab the middle of the towel, flick it down like that lightly, and that's the best way to hold on to it. You don't want to bunch it up like this. You might as well throw your money in the street if you keep doing this with the Boss, because you'll just crack it. Eventually, you're always wanting to grab kind of the middle. It can do 5-6 plies, but make sure that you just kind of grab a middle. Don't try to grab an edge or on the tip or a single ply. That hangs way down your body. So now I'm going to do a little bit of washing on this window and give an example of how to use the towels. Just after you get done washing the window, getting the water down, that very first towel on your far right is what you're going to use to get that edge, maybe wipe the sill. This towel is going to get real dirty real quick. You might go up around the top. Then you can use the second one, stay a little bit up off of that dirt and get a little more water. Then your last towel, your third towel, is perfectly clean and pure, and without even looking you can wipe across the window. So that's excellent. So quick view here of the setup on my truck right now. I also have a van for keeping stuff inside, but you can see how I hang it on there. What's really nice about the Boss setup is it holds on to all the towels. So when you pull this off of the bar that's holding it and put it on, you're just really ready to go. Okay, let's talk about just for a regular pants belt. Now this is fairly self-explanatory, but there is a trick to getting it down onto your belt real quick like I just did. And I'm going to show you that trick right now. Grab it top to bottom, not side to side. See how I'm grabbing the top and the bottom? That allows you to get that little lip. Then slide straight down, and when you remove it, slide it straight up off. So just think about it, guys. That back part of the clip that flexes onto your belt, it's plastic. So you do have to be careful with this part. You gotta, I'm just showing here in this graphic, you need to slide straight down onto the belt. Don't use too thick of a belt, and make sure you're pulling the towel down and out and away when you pull it out of the clip, not straight out off of your body. You'll stress out that back clip. So just finishing up here, here's like a janitorial setup, maybe a maid, 2 clips, even more on a belt, and you can work in a house like that. Work out great. There you go, guys. Apparently, it looks like now.